Welcome back, welcome back. I know it's been so long, but let's get right to the video. You know the three ingredients we already need? It's aloe vera, some lime, and coconut oil. First of all, I'm going to show you how to get the crystal out of the aloe vera. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to cut in as many pieces as we can. Make sure they're good to use. I use a small knife to feel comfortable because they get really slippery. Then second, we're gonna take the spike out, so we're gonna go the size. Then we're gonna go around it. You know what I'm saying? But I hope you know what I'm saying. You know. Okay, step 2 is really self-explanatory. We're just gonna wash it to make sure we get all the smelly green thing off of it. There you go. And we are going to blend it. I will be adding a little bit of water because I don't want it as a gel. I want it more like liquidy as possible. Now, while the blender is doing its job, we're going to take a little amount of coconut oil and we're going to melt it. If you want, you can do this step first, so when it's time to mix it all up, it will be melt. This step is really optional. I like to drink a strainer because it doesn't leave any white stuff in your hair. I forgot to mention that this bottle is from Sally's, so you can get them any shape, any color, and they have a lot more options. Now, one of the final steps is to cut the limes. I wrote lemons, I know, but it's limes. And then we're gonna mix them all the ingredients together finally, right? And excuse my look, but you know what I'm saying? It's hair mask type of day, so don't forget the front of your hair, the side. We have to do the back, all around it. You know, make sure it cleans well our scalp. After that, I just brush it, put my hair in a bun, and leave it as long as I want. Thank you for watching.